my goodness, guys, we've been waiting 2 years for this, and we are finally going on the Icon. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you going to do when you get on the boat?
I want to go on the pool. I want to show this.
I was so excited to hop on the Icon. I was following the ship's building process online, and as an Emerald member right on the cusp of Diamond status, I have been crazy booking Royal Caribbean cruises. I originally booked an Oceanview balcony cabin on the 10th floor, and about 2 months before our January 2024 cruise, we got our Royal Bid Up email. So we bid on the Family Infinite Oceanview balcony suite. Yes, that is the controversial no balcony, and we bid on a Sunset Corner suite. Here is a full room tour. Honestly, I'm so glad we won the bid. The room worked really, really well for my fiance and my daughter, and of course, yeah, me too. The position of this room also is really convenient to main dining, surfside, adventure ocean, so much more. When you're booking your cabin, it's key not to be too close to an elevator, but also not too far, and this room's position was perfect. If we wanted to get to the forward parts of the ship, I mostly chose to cut across Central Park because obviously Central Park is lovely. You can stop in Park Cafe, get snacks along the way, so I preferred to sort of cut across the ship that way. Here are the things I loved about the room. The other thing about the room is there was plenty of storage for our clothes and our bags. The separate shower and bathroom area was like a top tier feature. This made getting ready so much faster. I will also say the shower is small, and there is a hot water kind of toggle thing that we had no clue about until day 3. It was a welcome discovery, but for them 3 days, the lukewarm showers were simply not it. So yes, be aware that there is this toggle in the shower. Now, for a January cruise where the first 2 days were a little bit chilly, the infinite balcony feature was actually really welcome. I'm a cold nature person, so I wouldn't have been sitting out on the balcony for those first 2 days. So it was nice to actually be able to lower that window and not have to be fully outside, but then still get to experience the ocean and the wind, but not so much all of the cold elements. I know some people don't like the whole basket thing. Honestly, I don't think it matters that much. I think it's a great space for putting, lounge wear, for putting your bathing suits. I kind of put my scarves and things like that. I also pack with packing cubes. So some of the baskets, I just put my cube right into the basket, and it worked for me. Overall, if I'm going to be going on the Icon in the future, this is the cabin style that I will want the most because there's honestly great space and actual privacy. I can't believe that Royal has suites that cost way more than this room, where the kids would basically be all up in your lounge area. So if you're in the bed with your partner, you're literally looking at the couch and your children sleeping. And I mean, cruises are fun. Obviously, the Icon class is a huge ship, but it was really, really nice to have that added privacy. And my daughter loved the fact that she could go sit on her bunk and watch TV and watch her shows. She doesn't have a TV in her room at home, so this really felt like a nice treat for her. Totally loved this room. I totally recommend it. I definitely think if Royal is looking to upgrade some of their older boats, this is a style they should really consider adding to the suite classification because this room really does function like a true suite.